All of our systems feature higher performance, German-American engineered bifacial solar modules. And while many of our competitors don't include any type of solar module mounting hardware in their advertised system pricing, this system comes with US-made, high-quality, top-name brand Iron Ridge flush mount solar module racking and flashings, providing a stronger installation at our low advertised price.
No blackouts, no more fear. They light the way, they lead the pack. DIY Solar's got your back. Power to spare, they're always there.
We use only the finest low-frequency transformer-based inverters manufactured by Schneider Electric, headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts in these kits. With 160,000 employees and 1 million partners in over 100 countries, Schneider Electric is consistently ranked among the world's most sustainable companies. You'll never find one of those cheap, unreliable, high-frequency, transformerless inverters in our systems. And unlike many of our competitors' inverters, you'll never have to worry about our inverters talking to the Chinese government.